This is M News, my lightning. Good morning. A pedestrian has died after being hit by a truck near Te Kōpuru in Northland on Tuesday afternoon. Police say the person was hit on West Coast Road in the Kaipara District, south of Dargaville, just after 3 p.m. West Coast Road remains closed while the serious crash unit investigates. Motorists are urged to avoid the area. Let's bring in Harper, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? So, Harper, what do we know this morning? Just to repeat, a pedestrian has died after being hit by a truck in Northland. Okay, Harper, Scott, thank you. Mayors from the Wellington region have appeared to give a little enthusiasm for council emergence yesterday. A meeting of the regional leadership committee decided an item had headed regional deal with some commentators. Let's go live now to Harper Scott, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. There's just a few boxes left to pack as Grant Robertson read his valedictory speech at Parliament tonight. A Labour giant of the post-Helen Clark era and politician genuine confident he'll be missed by his friends and followers alike. Let's bring in Juliet Jacades, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Juliet. What do we know? Okay, Juliet Jacades, thank you. Riley's COVID vaccination plan has been unveiled this morning. Let's bring in Lulu Tucky, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. What do we know? Okay, Lulu, thank you. Owners of plug-in hybrids like the popular Outlander plug-in will pay less in news road charges after a change of the heart by the government. Let's go live now to political reporter Juliet Jacades at the Downtown Fair Terminal on Pier 2. Good morning, Juliet. Live politics update. Kāinga Ora crackdown changes to plug-in charges. And Juliet, Prime Minister Christopher Luxon says he intends to speak with his Deputy PM and Foreign Minister Winston Peters, who speech over the weekend compared co-government with the Nazi Germany race-based authorities. Luxon says he does not agree with the comments. He is calling on all political leaders to tone down his similar and fancy language. Peters, in his State of the Nation speech on Sunday, said without New Zealand citizen parliament after the 2020 election, race-based theories have merged, Juliet. So what do we know this morning? Okay, Juliet Jacades, live from the Downtown Terminal Pier 2. Thank you. Dentons are calling for a sugar ban on drinks. Let's bring in Harper, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Aucklanders are sick of the blame game with their trains. Let's go live now to Lulu Tucker, who joins me from Britomart. Good morning, Lulu. Aucklanders are sick of the blame game. Okay, Lulu, thank you. One person has been injured in an explosion at an industrial site in the Auckland suburb of Papatoetoe. Fire and emergency were alerted at around 2 p.m. on Saturday. Bank of gas cylinders and a forklift were on fire. 30 firefighters, 5 fire trucks and a ladder and a special hazardous materials unit extinguished the blaze. It was not yet known how serious the injured person was, and the fire as it was not being treated as suspicious. Let's go live now to Harper Scott, who joins me from Papatoetoe. Good morning, Harper. What do we know on this one person being injured in an explosion? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Just to bring you up to date with the weather today, sunny in Auckland, 20 the top, sunny in Hamilton as well, 20, mostly sunny in Tauranga, 20, fine. 2 days in Wellington, 16, sunny in Christchurch, also 16, and sunny and windy in Dunedin, 17. That was just your little weather update. Now, let's go to... No. So, Harper, what do we know on this person being injured at an industrial site in Papatoetoe on Saturday at 2 p.m? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. There's a new video ad for the temporary vaccine rollout. Let's go live now to Harper Scott, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Harper. A new ad for the temporary rollout update. Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Riley's vaccine rollout update this morning is expected to go ahead. Let's bring in Riley One correspondent Lulu Taki, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. Riley's COVID vaccine is expected to go ahead this morning. Okay, Lulu, thank you. The Nz402 Flight update now. It departed at 5:54 instead of 6, and it arrived at 6:53 instead of 7:05. Gate 16, Terminal D, Gate 32. Let's go to HubSpot at Auckland Airport at Terminal D and Gate 32. Good morning, Harper. What do we know? Okay, Harper Scott. What do we know live this morning? So, Harper, what do we know on this Nz402 flight update? So, what do we know this morning, Harper? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. The teacher aide rollout is expected to start from now this morning. Let's go live now to Juliet Jacades, who joins me live in the newsroom. Good morning, Juliet. What do we know? What do we know this morning, Juliet? The teacher aide rollout is expected to start this morning. Okay, Juliet Jacades, thank you. Police in Riley to arrest anyone who's not vaccinated. Let's go live now to Lulu Tucky, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. Police to arrest anyone who's not vaccinated. Okay, Lulu, thank you. COVID restrictions have eased in learning services. Let's bring in Imogen, who joins me now live from learning services. Good morning, Imogen. COVID restrictions have eased in learning services. So, what do we know this morning, Imogen? Okay, Imogen, thank you. COVID restrictions have now eased in Riley. Let's bring in Lulu, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. What does this mean for people who want to get vaccinated in Riley? And that means you can get vaccinated, but you need your third booster, first booster today, second booster tomorrow, and the third booster by May 24th. Okay, Lulu, thank you. Donald Trump unable to raise US $4.4 million bond in New York fraud court case, his lawyers say. Let's go live now to US correspondent Minbidden and Charlotte King in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. Good morning, Charlotte King. What do we know where it is? 2:12 on Tuesday afternoon. Good afternoon, Min and Charlotte. Trump unable to raise US dollars 4.4 million that we know this morning. So what do we know? So Minbidden and Charlotte King, you're also expected to get your COVID vaccination live on the air today, starting now. Oh, there we go. So Minbidden and Charlotte King, Trump unable to raise US dollars 4.4 million bond in New York fraud case, his lawyers say. So what do we know this morning? Okay, Minbidden and Charlotte King live from Tampa Bay, Florida. Thank you very much. That is US correspondent Minbidden and Charlotte King live from Tampa Bay, Florida for us. Now, a dear jump scare on Juliet. Here is the moment. We have no pictures, but we can just say, here's the moment I scared Juliet. And that was quite cool. And that is your news update for today, March the 20th. I'll see you tomorrow.